Hello, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to this demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder made by Robert Zassenhaus in the early 1950s. I believe the cursive Zassenhaus on the crank gives it away as 1950s. In the 30s there was an RZ monogram there. Model number unknown. I suspect it's somewhere between 140 and 175. That's just an educated guess. Test is, as it always is, we're going to take 7 grams of coffee. We're going to put the grinder on its finest setting. And we're going to see how it does, both for speed and consistency of grind. So approximately 25 turns there of the handle, making that a fast grinder. Let's have a look at the grind. So that is a good, fine, slightly powdery grind, compacting somewhat. So I would say it should be fine for anything up to an espresso machine. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video and in the description. Happy grinding.